डायरेक्शन एक अलग है, कोच रहना बाहर स्टेडियम के बाहर एक अलग होता है और बल्ला लेके वहाँ पे पिच पे उतरना एक अलग होता है।
दो चीज़ें मालूम है, एक अच्छी फिल्म होती है, एक बुरी फिल्म होती है। तो किक करने से मुझे ये फ़ायदा होगा, जो मेरी फिल्में हैं, छोटी फिल्में हैं, छोटे बजट की फिल्में, उनको फ़ायदा होगा, डेफिनेटली उनको फ़ायदा हो रहा है।
I think he's from Azamgarh.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So he's got that whole North का flavor है, अच्छा flavor है उसका.
Business has grown hugely, yeah.
Since last.
From your last film to now.
No, it's true actually.
People love me in Kick, but there was something of a Once Upon a Time in Mumbai also there.
Sandeep is a great guy.
Amazing.
He's done some fabulous work in this film.
Yeah.
This dialogue of yours, मेरे बारे में इतना मत सोचना, दिल में आता हूँ, समझ में नहीं. You know, the moment the promo came out and it just got stuck like anything. Actually.
Yeah, this is Sajid thinks of me actually.
Right.
Not yet.
He can't get you out of his mind.
नहीं, दिल में आता हूँ. Can't get me out of his heart.
Out of his heart.
Then you do like a kick and it goes like past 200 crores and you're
Yeah, Kick. Why? People love me in Kick, but there was something of a Once Upon a Time in Mumbai also there. So for me, though it is my most watched work, I guess, because of the presence of Salman Khan and Sajid Nadirwala making it.
I think you sang Tu Hi Tu yesterday at the event
Really
yesterday.
badly though.
No, I think it's pretty good. Pretty
Don't
good.
forget to add really badly. I get conscious when I have to sing. If I'm singing, like if you catch me unaware, I sing like a dream.
Yes, he does actually.
But as soon as the mic comes in front of me, and then I'm conscious of my own voice because from here it's going directly here.
Yeah.
And then I'm concentrating on from here to here, and I forget the.
But that's what happens, and
tune.
your voice absolutely changes. I think when
Yeah.
you're.
Right.
I start singing like Arbaz.
He doesn't wear a C. He's gone. Okay.
For me, he's a friend that is different. From 25 years, we are great buddies. But he is a big star of the country, and to make something for him is not easy. So while you write something, organically it comes out while writing. But 10-12 pages के बाद when you think him, his followers, it starts shaking. If I have given Kick as a debut, and which was the first 200 crores of mine and Salman Khan, puts in a lot of pressure. But originally I told, if you remember, कि मैं 4-5 साल तो I will not make because it takes away too much of energy, my health and everything, whole thing goes out to give a film, as a director.
4-5 साल तो हो चुके हैं.
हाँ, अब I made 4-5 drafts. Out of that, he liked 2 instantly and he said, let's go on it. I tried one more and I think that has hit the bullseye now. So maybe in a couple of months, I should be ready with the whole dialogues.
बहुत से लोग का ये मानना है जो कि आपको मानते हैं कि आप एक सिंबल हैं आर्ट एंड पैरेलल एंड थॉटफुल सिनेमा के, कि आप जो हैं अब आपने एक नया अपने मकाम आपने तलाश कर लिया कमर्शियल सिनेमा में. अब आप कमर्शियल सिनेमा में चले गए, आप बिक गए हैं, तो आपका क्या जवाब है उनके लिए?
मतलब ऑफकोर्स बिकने के लिए तो आया था मैं यहाँ पे, क्योंकि जब जो भी आता है बिकने के लिए ही आता है एक तरह से. बट ये है कि मैं इस तरह की जिस फिल्म की आप बात कर रहे हैं कि इस तरह की फिल्म में मैं बिक गया, बट इस तरह की फिल्म की से ये फ़ायदा ये होता है कि जो मेरी दूसरी फिल्में हैं जिनको आप या तो आर्ट या पैरेलल सिनेमा, हालांकि मुझे तो इनमें डिफरेंस अभी तक नहीं पता चला, मुझे तो दो चीज़ें मालूम है, एक अच्छी फिल्म होती है, एक बुरी फिल्म होती है. तो किक करने से मुझे ये फ़ायदा होगा, जो मेरी फिल्में हैं, छोटी फिल्में हैं, छोटे बजट की फिल्में, उनको फ़ायदा होगा, डेफिनेटली उनको फ़ायदा हो रहा है.
So you're having some very interesting, I think, supporting star cast along with people like Randeep Hooda is there, Nawazuddin Siddiqui is there.
Sandeep is a great guy.
Amazing.
He's done some fabulous work in this film.
Yeah.
And he his whole demeanor is very cool.
Right.
His just persona, he's very laid back. And you think that it's going to come out on screen also, it's going to come across as very laid back and slightly lethargic.
जी.
But it comes out with so much of force and so much of aggression, and it's I guess it's a very inherent coolness about him.
Yeah.
Which shows.
Which works with the character as well.
Okay, now enough of Randeep now.
Yeah, what do you mean?
Yeah, you maybe you're like.
I'm getting jealous
You're
of
it.
Randeep.
You're it.
I interviewed Sajid Nadirwala recently, and he said that Kick 2 you'll be there for sure. Now considering that in that light when you go on stage with Salman Khan, so it'll be a different energy
Well, just there
altogether.
be Kick 2 on my mind.
Definitely, I think there should be. But at least in people's mind, it will be.
Yes, I definitely hope so. I'm extremely excited. I mean, like, obviously that was the franchise that really kind of catapulted me into something I just never could have imagined for myself. And and it was, I mean, honestly, it was all kick, right? So it'd be great to be back with that team. We had such a fantastic time creating that, and it was, we really delivered. I think this blockbuster. And to be kind of like recreating that magic, I mean, I can't wait. So fingers crossed, happens soon.
The public response is extremely good. People are going again and again. Does that make you feel good because you're a cinema watcher yourself primarily?
Yes, I go to the theaters to watch other people's movies, not my own. It would be really silly if I went to watch my own movies and see the reaction of my own movies in a theater. But I do go and watch other people's movies when I get a chance, do it quietly. So I just like the whole experience of going to the theater and watching the movie. So I'm sure that, like me, everyone else also enjoys that. And if I like a film, I go and watch it again. This is what's happening with Kick, that people have liked the film and they are watching it again because I hear that they've already started repeating the dialogues and stuff like that. So that's a good sign.
Does it make you feel good that an actor who's huge demand, someone like Salman, अगर आप वो वीडियो देखें तो he's very enthusiastic about working in your next project. तो already वो interested है आपके साथ काम करने के लिए. Does it make you feel good?
No, he is the one. He is the reason जिसकी वजह से मैं बना हूँ डायरेक्टर.
Right.
तो जब वो उस वक्त चांस दे सकते थे when I was not ready. मुझे पता भी नहीं था मुझे काम आता है कि नहीं आता है. प्रोडक्शन एक अलग चीज होती है और डायरेक्शन एक अलग है. कोच रहना बाहर स्टेडियम के बाहर एक अलग होता है और बल्ला लेके वहाँ पे पिच पे उतरना एक अलग होता है.
बिल्कुल.
तो इट्स वेरी नाइस. आई मीन इट्स अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट वो such a big star saying it.
Every film that somebody does,
Right.
a heroine or an actor who's like trying really hard to make it.
जी.
So and everyone believes that they're making Mughal Azam and the heroine's character is the best and she is, or the hero is like the best thing in the film. So he said, wait, baby, after this film, and she's been waiting for the last 8-10 years.
So long.
So, same line.
I've kept hearing
wait.
Don't sign.
Wait.
Just wait.
Wait. I'll be the first one to tell you. Didn't work. Do right.
No, that's true. Actually, I do take his advice very seriously. It's amazing. Like, obviously, I've been, part of like really big movies with big brands. I mean, big brands, But I think with this, like the scale and it reached 100 crore very fast, and so this was like something extremely different, and it feels.
Jackie, business has grown hugely. Yeah.
Since last.
From your last film to now.
Yeah. No, it's true actually, and but still it feels, I mean, it's just great when that people have kind of gone and watched your movie and they're having a good time and they're being entertained, and that's just fantastic.
What about Nawazuddin Siddiqui as such? I think he's having some very interesting lines in the film.
He's playing
right.
well. What he's playing? He's playing the villain in the film. He's good.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, he's very effective. The first time I'd never seen his work. Never seen him. So the first time I saw this villain, so we were discussing कि इसको किससे मारे? Toothpick से मारे, nail cutter से मारे.
No, but that's the thing. Like, he's so
and
unassuming.
Then suddenly he comes on screen and he's so larger than life.
You don't
Amazing,
expect
yeah.
it. And like he creates like a very different kind of character.
Yeah.
Like he creates something which is very cool. I mean,
North का है ना तो उसके अंदर वो एक I think he's from Azamgarh.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. So he's got that whole North का flavor है. अच्छा flavor है उसका.